Hey, Qodo released version 2.1 of its AI code review platform with the rule system now in beta. I'm going to show you today how you can use those rules in a skill. So the rules are defined in the Qodo platform. You can see each rule has a description of what it should and should not do, and then a category and severity. All this can be fed back into your coding agent as you are coding. So let's start by npx skills, Qodo AI, Qodo skills. I'm going to be using the get rule skill. This skill can work with any coding agent. Today I'm going to be working on Code. Cool. Let's jump into Claude and give it a base assignment, something along the lines of implement a new filter for the get repositories endpoint to allow returning only active endpoints. The skill is meant to be triggered with any type of coding assignment, so now Claude should know to call the get rule skill and add that into its context as it figures out how to implement this feature. Awesome. So we can see that the implementation has been successful, and there's a description here of how it happened, and this has been following the project standards and the rules from the Qodo platform.